Some kitchen appliances end up sitting untouched after a few weeks. Others quietly become part of your daily routine because they simply make life easier. And that's exactly the category this product seems designed for. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on practical products that deliver real value beyond marketing promises. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This is a compact, single-serve blender designed for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and quick daily nutrition without taking over your kitchen counter. If you live a busy lifestyle, prefer simple meal prep, or want a reliable blender that doesn't feel oversized or complicated, this product immediately makes sense. And if you'd like to check current pricing or availability, the purchase link is waiting in the description below. What separates the Ninja Fit from many entry-level personal blenders is its balance between power, simplicity, and portability. It focuses on delivering dependable blending performance while remaining compact enough for everyday convenience. Reason 1. Surprisingly powerful blending performance for its size. The Ninja Fit uses a 700-watt motor base combined with Ninja's pulse blending technology to handle ingredients more effectively than many compact blenders in this category. In practical use, it crushes ice, blends frozen fruit, and handles thicker smoothie ingredients with confidence. That extra power matters because it creates smoother consistency while reducing the frustration of uneven blending or frequent stopping and shaking. Reason 2. Designed for fast, realistic daily use. One of the strongest aspects of this blender is how naturally it fits into busy routines. You blend directly inside the included 16-ounce cup, attach the spout lid, and take it with you immediately. There's very little extra cleanup or unnecessary transfer between containers. For morning smoothies, post-workout shakes, or quick breakfast preparation, that convenience becomes genuinely valuable over time. Reason 3. Compact footprint without sacrificing practicality. Many kitchens simply don't have space for large countertop appliances that are only used occasionally. The Ninja Fit's compact design solves that problem effectively. It stores easily, takes up minimal counter space, and remains accessible enough to encourage regular use rather than occasional use. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this balance between performance and practicality is one of the reasons the product remains consistently popular. Reason 4. Effective nutrient extraction for healthier drinks. The Pro Extractor blades are specifically designed to break down whole fruits, vegetables, seeds, and frozen ingredients more thoroughly. This allows smoother, nutrient-rich drinks while reducing chunks or uneven texture. While it's still a personal blender rather than a full professional food processor, the extraction capability gives buyers more confidence when preparing healthier smoothies and wellness-focused drinks consistently. Reason 5. Simple ownership experience with easy cleanup. One of the most overlooked aspects of small kitchen appliances is how easy they are to maintain long-term. The Ninja Fit keeps things refreshingly simple. The cups, lids, and blending components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, which significantly reduces cleanup effort after daily use. Instead of becoming another appliance that feels inconvenient to wash, it integrates more naturally into everyday routines. Final verdict. The Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender succeeds because it focuses on the essentials exceptionally well. It delivers strong blending performance, compact convenience, and practical portability in a format that feels approachable for everyday users. It's important to recognize its limitations. It's not designed for large family batches or advanced food processing tasks. And for extremely dense ingredients, occasional pulsing may still be necessary. But for individuals looking for a dependable smoothie blender, quick shake preparation, or a compact wellness-focused kitchen appliance, it offers very strong value. Students, professionals, gym-goers, and smaller households are likely to appreciate it most. What makes the Ninja Fit stand out isn't complexity, it's consistency. And often, the products people continue using daily are the ones designed with that simplicity in mind.